Okay, this company called Monster that have been making expensive cables for a very long time. They have come out with their first 8K cable. They claim it can transmit 8K video files and has a speed of 48 gigabits. This is subject to testing because I'm not a big fan of expensive cables. Monster have always made expensive cables for a very long time. Not super high and expensive, but most of their cable are not that crazy affordable like other brands. The the cable works with the latest HDMI 2.1. It's very compliant with that. They claim it supports 4K video at 120 hertz, while it's supporting 8K video at 60 hertz. It is able to pass along very big data, like literally. It's literally for people that want the absolute best image transfer from their Blu-ray player or whatever streaming device they have to their display. So it's not crazy expensive. It also supports eARC, audio return, sorry, enhanced audio return channel. Um, but the price, at least the price, which is the most important thing for people, is not crazy. It is still not cheap compared to other. Now I understand. You can make a case that it's an 8K cable, but it's not too cheap. You can buy the 4 feet model for $35, 6 feet for $40, 8 feet for $45, while their longest 12 feet is $50. I'll suggest you go for their longest if you know what you are connecting is not a a thing that you want to compromise length for. You understand? So go for the longest. But if you know your Blu-ray is very close to your TV and there is no need for long cable, you go for the size that pretty much suits your need. So that's the most important thing that you have to know about the Monster 8K cable. How well will it do? I do not know whether people would be interested in it. As for where you can buy it, you can buy it exactly from Amazon right now. So go on Amazon and go find it. Do subscribe to our channel. Do like our content. Follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.